Amarillo, Texas. Non-Electrical Sign Contractor Bond. What is a non-electrical sign contractor bond? Let's break it down. A bond is like a promise or a guarantee. In this case, the $10,000 bond ensures that you, as a non-electrical sign contractor, will follow all the rules and regulations set by the City of Amarillo. It acts as protection for your customers, ensuring they have recourse if something goes wrong with the work you've done for them. Now, you might wonder why it's specifically for non-electrical sign contractors. Well, non-electrical sign contractors are responsible for installing, repairing, and maintaining signs that don't require electricity. These could be anything from billboards to street signs. Because these signs are often large and can be potentially dangerous if not installed properly, the city wants to make sure that contractors who work on them are qualified and responsible. Why is the bond required? The main reason for requiring a bond is to protect consumers. Without it, customers would be left vulnerable to contractors who might not have their best interests at heart. By requiring contractors to have a bond, the City of Amarillo ensures that there's a safety net in place for consumers in case something goes wrong. Additionally, the bond requirement helps to maintain high standards within the industry. Contractors who are serious about their business and committed to providing quality work are more likely to comply with the bond requirement. This helps to weed out less reputable contractors who might cut corners or take advantage of their customers. How to get a non-electrical sign contractor bond. Research bond providers. Start by researching bond providers in the Amarillo area. Look for reputable companies that specialize in contractor bonds. Apply for the bond. Once you've found a bond provider you're comfortable with, you'll need to fill out an application form. This form will ask for basic information about yourself and your business. Provide financial information. In order to qualify for the bond, you'll typically need to provide some financial information, such as your credit score and any assets you own. Pay the premium. The cost of the bond, also known as the premium, will depend on various factors, including your credit score and the size of the bond. Typically, you can expect to pay a percentage of the total bond amount as the premium. Receive approval. Once your application has been processed and approved, you'll receive your bond. This is a legal document that you'll need to keep on file and provide to the City of Amarillo as part of your licensing process.